Mumu is a traditional way of cooking food in Papua New Guinea. They collect firewood and light it up so that the stone can get hot. Then food like pork, sweet potato, banana, taro, greens, all of the food are cooked under the ground. Mumu is not just food in Papua New Guinea. It represents culture, unity, respect, and tradition.
We used to cook like this. With Mumu, then we put our pigs. After putting pigs, then we there's a stone, extra stone here. Extra stone here, we put it on into the meat, and then we after then put everything. Other putting pig now. Okay. Put a stone into the pig. This place the food there. You see? This is on my way.
Oh, be careful.
Place the water on.
Oh, they need to splash water on.
They make the food, make the stones, heat the stones, so then that heat will cook the food.
Oh, okay.
That's how we cook. That's how they put a small bit of water there.
Oh, okay.
Then it's already cooked now. Then put a cover.
Everything they are covering it with a banana leaf.
Put a banana leaf on them. It's covered. It's covered.
Yeah, it's covered.
Then we complete cover. If the air come out, they come out and then when it come out, so the food will not cook. Already put the water in, so it's like steam.
Oh, it's like it's steaming. Oh, steam cook.
Yeah. Steam cook.
Yes.
Because we have a lot of stone there, so hot stone there very fast. That's how we cook.
So this cook is traditional cook.
Yeah,
Your traditional cook.
Yeah, that's right. Our forefathers were doing that, so.
Say that it's a mumu.
Oh, it's a mumu.
Yes.
Our forefathers were currently doing that, so then we follow the footsteps.
Oh.
So
It's a customary cooking.
Your customary cooking. So like you cook this type of cooking, any program like
Yes.
Like that.
or any big occasion, like
Marriage,
marriage, burial,
yeah.
and other things. You cook this kind of cooking.
Funeral feast.
Okay.
It's called it's a normal cooking
For you guys.
for our service.
Okay.
We make it this one to a nom, which is in Papua New Guinea society.
Oh. Call it
Mumu.
Mumu.
Yeah.
Your traditional Mumu. Wow. So now they are putting all of the firewood on top of the Mumu.
That's to make,
It's not to escape.
Yeah,
So that's why like you are putting fire stick on top.
like putting
They live on top so that it
Make
will
it
not
that
escape.
steam will not escape.
Oh,
when steam will circulate inside and make the food very fast cool.
okay.
Kitchen.
Gama, you two, you are cooking? What are you cooking? Ah? Oh, this is the intestine of the pig. So you cook it.
After the couple of hours, we remove the leaves
Okay.
and we try to take out the food. Or
How are you going to know that the food is already cooked?
we shut the leaf on top of the soil.
Oh, okay, yeah. So when it turns brown, that means it's already cooked.
It's cooked.
Okay. Oh, be careful.
Oh, you finish all my pigment. Come on, next time, don't do that again, okay?
Daddy's daddy.
Daddy, kids need to eat and grow.
Enjoy yourself. I care about mom.
We always care about mom.
So we are eating our mumu.
Yeah.
Our pig mumu.
You enjoy the pig mumu? Yeah.
Yeah, mix him, yeah. Mix him, yeah. Mix him homogeneous to inside. Where is it?
여기에는 너가 순간 공부하는 거래. 일반인 너가 하는 게 하나도 없고.
I want him to say, 우리 동거 입는 게. Stop in this. It's already.
We are eating bolma.
볼마. Eating 볼마.
Where are you from?